Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video with me. And if you are new, my name is Matt. I am a quarantine-turned-me full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay, and I like to make YouTube videos about my reseller-related journey and just life in general on this YouTube channel. So if you do like this video at any point, be sure to hit the thumbs up, only take a second, and subscribe. It's free. Just go, scroll down, I'm gonna have you do it right now just so you don't forget. Thank you so much for subscribing. That being said, let's get into this video. This is the second part of my FLYP series, FLYP. It's an all consignment app for resellers, no risk, no money up front, anything like that. I am doing a 3-part series. This is episode 2 of it. If you wanna know what this app is in detail, like actual detail before you watch this, then pause this video, go down below, click the link, open a new tab and watch it, and then come back here. Ugh, we love watch hours, right? Thank you guys. I'm drinking a hard seltzer and it's matching my sweater. I'm living for it. Thank you so much, FLYP, for sponsoring this video. I'm just gonna put it out there right now that I have done a few promotional stuff on this channel of reviewing things. And again, if I was promoting something and I didn't like it or it didn't work for me, I would 100% tell you guys. But as of now, this app has been a great tool for me in my reseller business, especially during COVID, sitting home and getting inventory delivered to your house. And you'll watch the video before this and know, like I set my own commission, I apply to get it, then these people who put their stuff on the app will choose me to sell their stuff. Basically what happens. The definition of consignment. Cool. So what I'm doing today is I got 2 lots in the mail. I applied for 4, I got accepted to 3, and I got super lucky because one of them has a lot of high-end stuff. So there's 2 huge boxes, and I'm gonna kind of do a haul and show you what I got from FLYP. So let's do it, and then after this video, I'm gonna list away and do it. And then in the third video of this series, I'm gonna show you what sold and how I pay out the client. I had to take a break to do this, 1 second. Cool, let's get into the haul. Also, if you do see anything you like in this video and are interested in purchasing it, you can always email me at whysothrifty@gmail.com or DM me on Instagram, which is one of the fastest ways to reach me. It's whysothrifty_store. Perfect. So let's get into this first box. It's huge. Oh my God, it's like all deformed because I tried to rip the address off so you couldn't see it, but oh, this is so cute. I'm living for this. What do you guys think? So, this, I don't even know what brand. It's so expensive. This is super cool. It's like a straw button in the back. Or it's Velcro, but you can't use that word in a listing on eBay. And there's padding here Velcroed in. And it's really expensive. I looked it up. The brand is Eric Javits. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, cool. It's just super cute for a country club. This next item, and this is the box that had a lot of expensive stuff. Jacquemus, I don't know how to say it, I don't remember. Jacquemus, I just sounded like I said hummus. Okay, so cool, that's the tag. La Coupe de Soleil. I don't usually like one-armed or one-shouldered dresses, but this is wild. You can't really see on the camera that it's a little bit of a deeper blue, has crazy fringe, and most of these items are over like $100 or hundreds of dollars retail, so I'm super excited to see what I can get for them. And that is a size, I'm gonna start saying the size in case anybody's interested in purchasing. This is so cute. Oh, there it is. So it's a size 38, and Jacquemus. And it has this cool weave texture. We love weave textures. And this is another dress. This is a more formal dress. It's really cute and pretty. It has padding in the bra area, but not like very padded, just light, like soft padding. So pretty. It has, this is like if you loved Free People and got married. Like if you wore Free People at your wedding, that's the vibe of this is in like person. There's a vent in the back. There's a tan lining. It's gorgeous. And you can tell this is a quality garment. It's just very well made. I'm like, do you ever wonder, like, who gets rid of these cute things? But this is a dress, it's a by Waters, W-A-T-T-E-R-S. I don't know that brand, I had to look it up. Size 8. This next piece is, it feels kind of like silk, but it's textured. You see the texture, that's cool. Oh yeah, it does show up well on camera. And this is by the brand Komarov, K-O-M-A-R-O-V, dress, size large. And this is just like a class, oh, and it has that little barb tag thing on it still, so I'm guessing it's new. It's like an ombre to darker blue, and it has like draping at the bottom. This is my least favorite, just because I feel like This kind of dress no one's buying right now. I don't know if they are, but it's Alfred Sung. Watch somebody like comment on this and be like, I wanna buy it. And this is a bigger size, which we love. This is a long, long dress. It has like a linen feel, almost like a curtain. And this is the color champagne. It's polyester, professional dry clean only, and it's a size. What size are you? 12. You know, I could tell what this was without even looking at it. I already knew what I was getting, obviously, because I applied for the lot. Oh, this has some thread coming out. But yeah, it's very, and again, that has like the barb tag on it, not the actual tag, so you can tell it's like new. This has a little bit of wear. I'm not sure if it's just from being stored, but it's still really cute. It's a dress, Trina Turk, famous for the pockets and the, oh my God, it's a jumpsuit. I like it even more. Oh my God, this is the cutest thing ever. Trina Turk, size 2. And it has the little bows at the shoulders. If I go blurry at some points in this video, forgive me. I got a lot of stuff, really good stuff in this, and this was all free. I didn't pay anything to get this. Obviously, I'm paying out the percentage of what I make from this, and like Poshmark fees and platform fees all come out of my cut, so you do have to keep that in mind. But when you are on this app trying to get lots and be accepted, like I want my commission to be 50, 55, 60, but at first I had to put like 40 to get like reviews and people, because on the app it says this many people trusted Matt to sell their stuff. For how many people you've gotten to send you stuff. I'll show it right here, a snapshot of it. Let me move over. So when a new person, you apply and they see, oh, people have trusted them, so I'll get my money and I'll try the real deal. And you have to apply to be a professional seller on this app, so the app reviews you. And they were like, Matt, you should be on it. I was like, I love the app. Okay, so this is a really pretty Tory Burch scarf. It's super long. You could do a lot with it. You could double wrap it, you could single wrap it, you could thrap it, triple wrap it. And this is Tory Burch, and it retails MSRP for $195 for a scarf. That's crazy. And dry clean only. And it's really cute. It's a classic Tory Burch tile logo. This is another scarf. It's very soft. It's like a satin flowy in the wind. It's from Max Studio. It's 100% silk, and it's MSRP at $58. Ooh. No, I'm not a scarf person, but like this is really pretty. Also, I love how it's light, because the problem with scarves, for me at least, I get really hot. So I end up like just like sweating, even if it's snowing. So that's good, that's lightweight. If you're like me and also have hot flashes, like because I'm going through menopause or whatever it is. This is really pretty. This is a dress. It's very long maxi. It has a cutout in the back, and it's a darker champagne color, and it is a flare. Oh no, it's not a, okay, yeah, it's a dress, not a romper. This is a dress, and it's like a silhouette, and it goes out on the bottom. I don't know if that's what that's really called, an out-in dress. This has the barb as well from the tag. These are all new. It's crazy. And this is from the brand Katie May, Los Angeles. It just says extra small. Oh my God, we're like 3/4 way through this box. This is all stuff that I didn't even have to source. I just literally sat on my couch and ordered it. This is Wolford, W-O-L-F-O-R-D, size medium, 74% modal, and that's such a soft fabric for those of you who know that are resellers. It's like a muscle tee tank top, it's stretchy. Oh my God, another scarf. We love scarf vibes. Larf scarf, scarf larf. What else rhymes with scarf? Barf. Oh my God, this is so funny. The person that I'm collabing with, the company FLYP, they're gonna be like, oh my God, this psycho is reviewing our stuff. It's true, but all resellers are a little bit crazy, you know? It's true. So this is Vince Camuto. I have trouble selling Vince Camuto shoes, I realize, but the rest kind of moves. It might take a while, but this is the most gorgeous print ever. This has to sell, or I'm gonna buy it. This is MSRP $38, new with tag, and I see, this is gorgeous. What's the material in this? Polyester, it feels like silk, but oh my gosh, look how flowy, watch. Like I didn't even feel it. Did something just hit me? I didn't feel anything. We're almost done with this box. This is, I never sold Max Studio, but I've seen it at like Nordstrom's Rack and stuff, and we'll see. This is an open front cardigan, very thin. It's like ribbed and knit-ish, I don't know, mesh. And that is a size medium, and it is rayon and nylon. This is what I was least excited about in the box, but like I got the box and I just like took the whole box. I didn't take anything out when I applied for it, because people usually want to get rid of all their stuff. You can take stuff out when you apply if you're not interested in it, but that might affect the fact that somebody will give it to you or not. This is like an olive kind of green/gray silk blouse from Lucky Brand, and it's a size small. Actually, this might be one of my favorite things. This is the thickest, best quality fabric, satin, like silk, I don't even know. It's wrap on the bottom. It is like blazer collar style, has a shoulder pad. It's a one-arm dress with a long sleeve. And I'm pretty sure this was the really expensive thing. It has a tag on it. The tag is banged up, but the garment's great. The brand is NBD, and it is a size small. Last thing is one of my favorites because I love rag & bone. This is a rag & bone weaved soccer mom. This is like a woven basket vibe, but it also is soft. And it has elastic in the back, and it's new with tag, rag & bone, guys. Rag & bone. Rag & bone. And it is MSRP 125, one size, straw visor black. Obsessed. This is so cute. Cool. And that makes the first box. Yeah, so all of that was free, risk-free, didn't put any money down, vibing it out, putting it all back in the box, getting ready to cry while I list it, getting ready to pull my hair out, but also getting ready to make some money. Cool. Awesome. So that's the first box. Let's go to the second box. Again, a break. I was gonna be like a sale, but it's not. It's not even an offer. I have a video podcast called the Reseller Rundown with my friend Henry's_hangers on Instagram, and we had a question one week where we were asking each other and the viewers, what's one brand that you shouldn't pick up in the wild, but you do? The wild meaning like a thrift store. And she's in White House Black Market. Even though it's a career piece and they're not huge right now, they're always so unique and pretty and quality made. They do sell quickly, but just like not for the highest return usually. There's some White House Black Market in here that is unique pieces, so that's why. This is such good quality. It's Cabby. Love Cabby collection. And usually I don't like Cabby because I only have one piece that has never sold in my closet for 2 years, but this is like quality. It's very a heavy coat. It's like a pea coat, kind of. And let me see what material it is. It's a medium, it's cotton and acrylic, and it's very thick. And it's like a dark green. This next one is White House Black Market Houndstooth, but in the houndstooth there's like a purple stripe through it, if you can see that. And it's fitted and it goes out on the bottom, and it's a size 2. I love this metal plaque they have on their tags. It's kind of like Guess has that sometimes. Another White House Black Market. It has a ruffle detail on the collar. It's like a gray tweed, and it has a strap on the back with silver buttons. And this is also, this is a size 0. I'm like, that's a size 2. This is also a size 0. This is this feels like a Veronica Beard like blazer with like the waxed, not waxed, like the matte satin that's not soft, like shiny, if that makes sense. This is a size 10, great size. This is a blazer from White House Black Market, classic. And also the cool thing is it has a mesh detail all down the arms and back. That's all a mesh panel with a lining under it. So it's not see-through, but it's mesh. This is my favorite thing in the box. I forgot this was in here. This is an Athleta heavy knit dress. It feels like the Nike Dry Fit, how it stretches and then goes back, like that kind of thing. And it's like brought in on the inside. It's taken in like, cause it's tighter elastic on the waist, and it's wrap in the front, and it's just so pretty. I love knit dresses, especially from Athleta. I've never had Athleta in my closet. A size small. This, my friends, is Eileen Fisher, and this is like a poncho style top, and it's like drapey, and it's kind of like sheer see-through, if you can see that. Like, let me put my hand in it, then you can see it. There we go. It's gray in the front, like heather gray, with white specks in it, and black in the back, and it's a size, one size. But I'm a size like medium large, and it would fit me. I wouldn't wear it, but I mean, you never know. This is a dress that I feel like this brand used to be so expensive. I'm not sure if it is still. Desigual, D-E-S-I-G-U-A-L. And it's higher in the neckline and lower in the back, and it's like a felt embroidered with flowers, just tank dress. I would say this is a midi dress. This actually was the least thing I was excited about. Vince Camuto. It's just maybe business pieces aren't like doing the most, but this is like an open face cardigan blazer. Open face, sandwich, open front. This is a deep, deep royal blue, has a spare button and everything. New with tag, $169 MSRP. You can't see that. Cool, and there's only one more thing, guys. This is like the coolest. This is gonna sell right away. This is White House Black Market, but it's like that on the inside of a cooler bag, like you go to the beach with. That's what it kind of feels like, but softer. and waxier and different. So this is a metallic silver. It has like a hint of gold in it, taken in, like, not taken in, just fitted in the waist, blazer, but it's like a zip jacket, but also blazer, but it has no collar. It's cool, it's unique. White House black market, and it's a size 0. So, woo! Should have worn a shirt under this and then taken it off. Obviously you get different things in the boxes you get. I got lucky enough to get, for my first lots, some high-end items. Took me like 2 weeks to get a lot finally, because I want 60 commission, but that's not realistic when you're new on the app and trying to, you know, the same thing as when you're selling on Poshmark and people trust people with more ratings. That's the same thing. This platform is super cool. If you guys have any other questions about this app that I didn't cover in this, I'm always happy to answer stuff. DM me on Instagram, again, Why So Thrifty Store. I'm gonna take another sip. It matches my sweater. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm in my new apartment. I finally got a couch. So I'm gonna be doing the whole reseller vibe and tour in one of my videos. So stay tuned. Again, this is the second episode of the Flip series. So if you wanna see the third, hit my post notifications, the little bell on my channel, so you'll be notified every time I make a video. And I also do my podcast, Reseller Podcast, on my YouTube channel weekly every Wednesday at 5 p.m. So thank you guys so much. I love you. Thanks for watching as always. And yeah, let's start a conversation in the comments. If you comment down below, it always helps the YouTube algorithm. I hate that word, cringe, but it really does, and I appreciate all the support you guys do, even if you're just watching it and clicking off in the first 10 seconds. But you should like watch the whole thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you. Have a good night. Unless you're watching this in the morning. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.